According to recent reports from Iran, the country's government is reportedly making a move that will benefit crypto miners by granting them over mining licenses. New development in Iran favors the crypto mining industry. Governments around the world are making significant progress with regulating the crypto industry, especially with regards to overseeing crypto mining operations. Topping the news this week is a report that Iran has permitted over crypto mining licenses to domestic crypto businesses. This mostly includes large mining farms, which are currently the only ones who can afford the hefty electricity bills. The news comes from Amir Hossein Saeedi Naini, an official with a guild organization. According to him, the country's crypto mining industry is still new, although many believe that it has major potential, which is attracting a lot of people to Iran. However, in order to mine cryptocurrencies legally, any would-be miner still requires an official license. According to him, the Ministry of Industry, Mine and Trade has issued more than licenses for cryptocurrency mining in the country. Further, he also says that the mining industry has the potential to add another $8.5 billion to Iran's economy, according to a recent government study. The mining industry facing obstacles. However, there are obstacles along the way, and the biggest one revolves around the country's high electricity costs. As many are likely aware, crypto mining requires a lot of computing power, but also electricity. This poses a great challenge for crypto miners in Iran, as only large and industrial farms can afford to operate, while smaller outfits are forced to shut down. High electricity tariffs plus stringent regulations have made the sector less appealing for small investors. The official believes that the operating conditions should not favor large capitalists, and that the mining industry should provide equal opportunities for anyone willing to join. To achieve that, however, Iran would have to modify the electricity rates and terms. The issues with crypto mining persist. Recon. You can read full post on CryptoFans News, link available in text below.